Understanding Bitcoin as an investment. Educational guide for beginners. Bitcoin is often described as digital gold, but it's also one of the most misunderstood investments. In this video, we'll explain what Bitcoin is, how it works at a high level, why people invest in it, and the risks beginners should understand before considering it as part of an investment strategy. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital currency that operates without a central authority like a bank or government. It runs on a technology called blockchain, which is a public ledger that records transactions. Bitcoin has a limited supply. Only 21 million coins will ever exist. This fixed supply is one reason people compare Bitcoin to gold. How Bitcoin works. Bitcoin transactions are verified by a decentralized network of computers. Once transactions are confirmed, they are added to the blockchain and cannot easily be changed. You don't need to understand the technical details to invest, but it's important to know that Bitcoin operates independently of traditional banking systems. Why people invest in Bitcoin? People invest in Bitcoin for several reasons. It's seen by some as a hedge against inflation. It has a fixed supply. It's accessible globally. It's independent of traditional financial systems. However, these reasons come with trade-offs, especially volatility. Bitcoin as an investment. Bitcoin is known for large price swings. Its value can rise or fall significantly over short periods. Because of this, Bitcoin is generally considered a high-risk investment, especially compared to traditional assets like diversified ETFs or bonds. Many investors who choose to hold Bitcoin treat it as a small portion of a broader portfolio. Common Bitcoin investing mistakes. Beginners often make mistakes such as investing money they can't afford to lose, reacting emotionally to price swings, expecting guaranteed returns, not understanding how to store Bitcoin securely. Education and caution matter more than timing. How people buy and hold Bitcoin. Bitcoin is commonly purchased through regulated platforms and stored either on exchanges or in digital wallets. Some people choose long-term holding, while others trade, but trading requires experience and risk management. For beginners, understanding ownership, security, and custody is more important than price prediction. Is Bitcoin right for beginners? Bitcoin is not required to build wealth. For many beginners, learning basic investing principles first, such as diversification, time horizon, and risk, is more important. Bitcoin may be appropriate only after understanding your goals, risk tolerance, and overall financial plan. If this video helped you understand Bitcoin as an investment, subscribe to the Canadian Money Guide for clear, practical explanations about investing and personal finance. In future videos, we'll cover how Bitcoin compares to other investments and common mistakes beginners should avoid. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice.